So you have the mini security camera from Funstorm. In this video, I'm gonna show you everything that you receive with your purchase, a quick guide on how to get this thing assembled and installed, and then a quick demo of what it looks like when it is running, the video quality of it, so you know exactly what to expect when you product your eyes. But here's gonna be what you get. You get the charging cable, which is just your standard phone cable, get the camera itself, and then what's cool about this is you get a stand with it, or you can screw it into your wall. But what's nice is the stand has double-sided tape, so if you don't want to mess around and screw it into your wall, or maybe you want to move it around a bit, this is really easy just to do this. And how you install it also could not be easier. No tools. A little closer you can see it. You just want to pop this on the bottom. You hear a click. This has a ball joint on it, so if you want to move it around different ways, but if you want to just stand it up straight, it'll look like that. So I'm going to get this thing installed now and running so I can show you kind of what the video quality will look like. Okay, so we got the camera going now. Here is what the live stream looks like on camera there. And basically how it works is you get a little notification on your phone that'll say motion detected. At that point, you can click the button and it'll bring you right to the live stream that you see now. And on here, you can change some things up. You can go HD or standard definition if you want maybe your camera to last a little bit longer. You're also able to take like a screenshot or start recording videos. So super easy to use. I think this is like a great option if you want to, you know, make your house just a little bit safer. Easy to set up. There's a QR code that's going to help you install this thing right away. So overall, I give this thing 2 thumbs up.